Hi, welcome back to EST Online. Today, we're looking at a really positive phrase, good job. How do we use good job? What prepositions can we use it with? Or what combinations can we make? Usually, when we want to say, good job, your presentation, we can use the prepositions with or on. Good job with your presentation. Good job on your presentation. Neither is better. Both generally have the same meaning. You can also say good job at a location. Hey, good job at the meeting room yesterday. Good job at the conference last week. Or if you want to use a verb, simply use an ing verb. Good job giving a great presentation to the boss yesterday. So that's it. That's how we use good job. Good job with, good job on, plus an object. Good job with your presentation. Good job on your presentation. Good job at, plus a location. Good job at the conference last week. Good job plus an ing verb for an action. Hey, good job giving a great presentation yesterday. That's how we use good job. Give it a try next time you're in the office to praise one of your coworkers. Good job. All right, see you next time. Bye.